Guys, um, um, my daughter. Oh, there's a lot of bacons. Really? Wait, why is Billy here? What? Alright. Oh, looks like somebody was right. Knew it. Yeah! Yeah, we got a lot of people. We got a plus up. Stall ever again. Flip. Shoot myself. Alright. With this. Alright, let me get on. No! Let's get Gray! Hey, Ashley Gray, you're on you're recording. Flip! No, we killed him! Husky Gray! Oh, Husky Gray's right there. Hey. Hey. He's like, he's minding his own business. Let's just leave him here. Alright. Let's take a ride. Look, he wants a ride now. No, Husky Gray! That's great. Ah! Nick! Nick! Please come here, Nick. Nick. Hey, Bree, you're gonna make the flame stop. Why do we keep losing Husky Gray? Husky Gray, do not fall to the pit. This is what I call infinite we lost many peoples. No, like that. Flying aircraft. Yes! We get to ride. We get to ride. Bobby Bob. Bobby boy. Bobby boy. Can you come here? Please, Bobby. I'm gonna miss out the ride. Tip, we're gonna make it stall. Can you stop, Set? No. Alright. Smash! Sorry if I just smash your head and make a brain tumor in your. Someone who's dumb can try that. Jesus. Oh my God! Alright, who just made it flip? I did not do it. Because it's literally, we got a lot of boys. Boys. So I'm just gonna like, let me just see if what they're doing. Steve Gray, don't even try to literally jump. I dare you. I dare you not try to jump. Husky, you just had to do. Husky! No! I'm trying to let you just land. Husky Gray. Let's go! Dun 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 dun. Alright. Now this is what I call infinite signal. I'm just gonna leave. Husky Gray? Husky Gray. Oh, look, a laggy player just trying. You know what? Sadly, I'm going to leave. Sadly, it's just going to watch. You keep on jumping off the plane, and you're not. How did he land that smoothly? And I'm not talking about. Dude, if you just want to go, he's gonna like walk off and he's gonna jump off and just let you exit. Look, see, there's many players that want to join. See, I know that, Bobby boy. Oh, never mind. It's stupid. Bobby boy. First place, idiot. Bobby boy. Here comes Bobby boy. Bobby boy. Bobby boys. Look, somebody just jumped off. I'm trying to control the plane. There's too many, like 3 people on the board. I'm trying to keep the plane on board. In the aliens, you stupid little noobs. Alright, I'm just like unspawn. Emmanuel Anderson. This cute to play. Why would you spawn? Oh, there's a lot of people that want to join the game. That's the game. No! Please. I'm running away! It's like little tiny ants trying to go on order slow. Like moving on sushi from here. It's like one of those slow ants. I'm trying to just like if you just don't let me. Don't let me. Yes. So that's why I'm going to like play another game. And you know what? Train destroys car. Yay! 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 No! Alright, back in the game, the car parts. Oh, that scared me. That scared me. That even my player just jumped. Please, wanna be the taxi? How many people are joining? There's a lot of people joining, and this game was literally created when I was like probably like hold up. How old I was like in 2018, 2014. 2015. Alright, 2014, 2015. 2016, 2000. Alright, 2015. No, I'm not 5. I was not 5 in 2000. Oh my god! Jeez. I was probably like half. I was like probably half of 3 years old and a half old. I'm probably like was in 2018. I was probably like 9 half. Get off the way. You're gonna die. And I'm gonna play some bricks to save me from the train. Thomas the train engine. Thomas the train engine. Please do not run over my taxi that cost like $6. Please. Scary. ATV? What is that? Oh, that's a little stupid bike. That bike with like four wheels, and it's very fragile that you can run over to bus to that point to. How can Thomas the train engine blow cars like that fast? You know what? Brick wall and a car. See who can win. Thomas the train engine. You know what? Please, get out the way, bricks. No! Oh, how is Thomas the train engine this fast? Why is there a pumpkin? There's a black circle. No, this is a pumpkin.
Pumpkin wheels, yay! Pumpkin wheels. This looks like I'm in a literal party in this pumpkin. Pumpkin from pumpkins, melon and pumpkins. Oh, he's Australian and Russian too. Cool, he's Russian and Australian. A Russian Australian wanting to die. And I'm gonna steal his car. And Larry try to drive off. Come on. No. I have to get my head flaked to the nose hole. Alright. I feel sleepy.